Do you want to know how you can search and find songs on SoundCloud? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to One Two Step. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can search and find songs on SoundCloud. Go ahead and open soundcloud.com on your Chrome or Edge browser and log into your account. You can see on the top corner there's a search bar. Go ahead and click search and then write down the name of the song you want to search for. So if you have found the song, click on it and then you can start playing it. You can see that you have found this track which you have just searched. It's quite simple. All you need to do is go to soundcloud.com and you can see the search bar over here. Tap on the search bar and then type in the artist or the song which you want to see or view. So go ahead and click on it and you can see this is the track, and then all you need to do is click play. And then you can start listening to songs by searching it. This is how you search and find songs on SoundCloud. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.